Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey. So today we are going to do another mystery unboxing, and yes, it is from Ofra Cosmetics once again. I love Ofra. I love their brand. I love their formula to everything I've tried from them. They have my favorite highlighters, some of my favorite lipsticks. If you have not tried Ofra, I highly suggest it. So today we have a giant box sitting over here. But if you guys want to see what came in this box and all the information on this box, just keep watching this video. And also, if you are new here, please take a moment to really subscribe. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you go and do so now. So anyways guys, I really don't have much else to say. I'm really excited to get into this video and show you guys what I got in this box. If you guys like unboxings, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because this is like the fourth one on my channel. So yeah, if you guys like that, make sure you guys go ahead and leave a comment down below letting me know. Anyways guys, let's just go ahead and jump on into this video. We're just gonna do what we came here to do. So right now obviously I am barefaced, and that is because we are going to do another, so I can't take myself seriously with this flower. So I love Ofra, and I know that they're one brand that has Afterpay and they do mystery boxes occasionally. So when I see them on their website, I have to get them. Like, so, and it takes everything inside of me not to buy them. But this time I did, once again. So the last one I did was I paid $35 for it and the value was $75. This box, let me just show you. I think that they are trying to get rid of some stuff. Like, really trying to get rid of some stuff. Because this box I paid $59 for and it was marked down. Let me see if I can pull it up. Yep, they're sold out once again. There was a small TBT mystery box, Throwback Thursday box. I got the jumbo one because I really wanted to see if this was worth it. Retail price is $250. I paid $59 for this box, okay? So like, first off, this better be good. It says, shop our Glam and Go bags filled with 12 or more mini and full-size makeup and skincare products. $250 value. Items are non-rebranded packagings. Items in the box may vary based on availability. So I'm really hoping that I get a lot of good things in here. I have like almost every Ofra highlighter that suits my skin tone. This is the box. This is huge. But the sad part is like, this isn't even all of it. I did open the top of it, but please stay focused. Thank you. But as you can see, like, there's another box inside of there that's not as big. I haven't even taken this out. My boyfriend knows it's been killing me. For reference, here's the box. It is bigger than my head, and this thing feels pretty full, like pretty full. So let me tear into this really fast. Okay, let me just, yeah. Why you take my scissors, man? Why you take my sheet? Why you take my scissors, Mom? I hope there's not a whole bunch of fragile shit in here. It's makeup. That was dumb. Oh, come on, man. Come in here, man. Ah, so satisfying. I'm literally just gonna reach into the box and pull stuff out. I've seen other mystery boxes, but I don't think they've ever had anything like this big, if that makes sense. So I want to look up the prices for stuff, and I will try to leave everything at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so we pull out a refill of some sort. This is, how do you say this? Godet? A Godet refill. This is banana powder used in palettes and in kits. I'm pretty fair skinned, so I don't know how I feel about banana powders, but that's a pretty big refill. So that is it. It's pretty yellow. Oh, girl. I got a highlighter. I got a highlighter. It looks like one I already have though. Ofra highlighter Beverly Hills. Okay, so I don't have this one. And yeah, I think that these colors will all be so pretty mixed together. Okay, so this one down here is pretty hard to see. I had to get pretty close to the camera because that was awkward. This one's gonna be too deep. This one would be such a beautiful highlighter for me. This one's pinky and this one's a very, very white color. Nonetheless, they will be beautiful. I love Ofra highlighters. So if I'm not gonna keep this stuff, obviously I'm not gonna swatch it. You guys, I need to do an apartment tour or at least a beauty room tour once I get everything completely set back up. I have to show you how much stuff I have for giveaways. Like, we need to hit 1,000 subscribers like ASAP, because when we do, I've got a lot of stuff to give away. Okay, so we have a lipstick, and this is a full size long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Charmed. Sorry for that horrible swatch, but that's what this shade looks like. It's actually really pretty. I have a couple Ofra lipsticks. They're really nice. Ooh, so we have the makeup fixer. I think I have this. Why is this in a different bottle? Do they come in different color bottles? My other one's orange. They're exactly the same, just this one's orange and this one's pink. So I think I might just, I'm not gonna spray this right now. I will use this one in the try on part. Oh yes, we have another lipstick. So this is in the shade Bel Air, and I'm excited because it is a nude. So there's the swatch of it right there in the middle. That's such a pretty color. So yeah, basically all this stuff is just in the older packaging. Like I said, I think they're trying to get rid of a lot of stuff. So if you see any more mystery boxes with this stuff, snatch it up. Girl. Snatch. Snatch. Oh. Oh. Yeah. So this is a Derm Coffee Body Scrub, and I am so intensely excited about this. I'm usually not that big into like skincare stuff anymore because I have so much that I need to use up. But let me tell you what, I was about to go buy some body scrub because I have a video that I want to record for you guys. I'm not going to say what it is, but I have to go purchase a few things first. So I think I'm going to start venturing out now that I have my own place and can be a weirdo again. So I'm going to start doing like other videos with other things. I don't want to give it away because you guys will be like, well, I know exactly what you're doing. And I want to start trying new things for myself and to share with you guys. So if you're interested in that, give me a little heart-eyed emoji down in the comment section. But anyway, I needed body scrub to do this video. I mean, I wasn't going to show you guys, but of me scrubbing my body is what I meant. You fucking weirdos want to see that? Thanks. It looked like a sheet. It looked like a baby sheet. I don't know why. I expected that to smell different. Definitely smells like coffee. It smells like weird coffee, but it smells like coffee. I mean, I'm gonna use it. Quit trying to look in there, you cheater. Oh, we got a lip gloss, and it is in the shade Babydoll. So I'm down for this. This looks very, very pink. I don't know if I want to open this. So I'm down with the lip gloss, but I don't know about that shade. That's super like fuchsia. Oh no, I feel like I'm getting down to the end. Oh my god, what is this? I have never even seen this. This is Derm Mineral Loose Powder in White Diamonds. So y'all, I like to go ham with my inner corner and brow bone highlight, and I feel like I'm about to go real ham with this. I want to play with this. I want to play with this. I want this. Oh, we've got a lip gloss. This one is, oh nope, that's not lip gloss. Good thing I read the packaging. So this is an eye gel primer. And actually, I was gonna order this to do in my Battle of the Bases video. So thank you, Ofra, for putting this in my box. Oh, this is a lip liner. I've always wanted to try their lip liner. So this is a lip liner in the shade Babydoll. Like, I was barely pushing, and you can see. Okay, I see you. I see you, Ultra. Oh my god. I thought this was another highlighter. Dude, I'm so glad I bought this box. This is a blush in the shade Bellini. Look at these. I'm so excited. Oh my god, that is so soft. Yeah, I'm probably not able to see that super well. Alright, so last item. So I've seen a lot of people get these in their mystery boxes, and I won't lie, like, this is not something I'm going to use, but this is a Ofra, it's basically a Z palette. I don't remember what the actual name that they call them is, but this thing is like huge. It slides down like so. You put your stuff in there. So yeah, this is like a Z palette. I'll show you how it works. So you just pop your single shadows in there. Oh man. Anyways, I just wanted to do a demonstration for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera really fast, and I'll come back and try these products so that way you guys can see them in action. In action. No, what you want? Okay guys, so I will be honest, it's the next day. So I first want to say, I know it's gonna be after the holidays, but by the time I upload this, so happy Easter. I did not try the eye primer, totally forgot. I'm not gonna try the body scrub like I said. Yeah, let's just go ahead and try this stuff. So let's start with this Bellini blush, and I'm gonna take my PK14 brush by Morphe. I don't know if that's showing up on camera super well, but it's super like faint, but it's so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to grab my M451 brush, and I'm going to grab the Beverly Hills highlighter. And I'm going to try to use all of these shades except for probably this one right here, because it is too deep for my skin tone. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my brush, swirl it around in there. As you guys know, Ofra highlighters are some of my favorite. So, I mean, I already know that this is going to be wonderful. I have Ofra highlighters that I haven't even used. I mean, look at that. That's just one swipe around. Literally. So, next I'm going to go ahead with the Derma Mineral Loose Powder White Diamonds glitter. I don't know. And I'm going to use my E19 brush, and I'm just going to dip into it. And I don't know how this is gonna look, but I am gonna try to apply it on my brow bone. Oh. Okay, it shears out a little bit once you just like rub it in a little bit. But damn. Or if you like a glittery highlight, you could totally use this as a highlighter. I'm so happy to have this in my life. Okay, so the last few things I have is this lip liner, and then I have these 2 lipsticks. I'm thinking I'm gonna do an ombre with these 2 because it's just more up my alley. So I'm gonna use the lip liner, and this is in the shade Babydoll again. Oh, that's creamy. Okay, so I left just a little bit of the center open, and I'm gonna take the shade Beverly. This is not as light as I thought it was gonna be. Seriously, Ofra's lipsticks are worth it because they last all day. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I'm not going to use this one, which, by the way, I discovered that they do come in 3 different colors. There's a blue one, purple, whatever it is. So I am just going to go in with the one that is already open. And this is the Makeup Fixer. This retails for $8. So I know I didn't try a whole lot on, and I didn't try everything on. There's, like I said, these few items right here I'm gonna put into a giveaway. I just don't see myself using these. If you guys like mystery unboxings, let me know down below so I can definitely keep doing these for you. I've done 2 eBay ones, 2 Ofra ones, and I especially love the Ofra ones because I really like Ofra's stuff. I really like Ofra's stuff. If you guys can't tell. But let me tell you guys, I did write stuff down, and there was some items that are on sale, so I wrote the prices down for both of those. And let me tell you that Ofra, you're lying. So if you did the sales price for these items right now, it would only be $228.50. So the retail price of this bag was supposed to be $250. Retail price while these items are not on sale, which I have a feeling the rest of the items that they want to get rid of in the old packaging are going to continue to be on sale for the rest of the time until they are sold out. So technically my box is definitely not $250 worth of products. However, if you did not get these items on sale, it would be $249.50. I guess that's technically $250 if you want to get technical. It's not, but once again, guys, happy Easter. I hope everybody had a happy and a safe Easter. So let me know down below what you guys want to see. Do you want to see a lot more mystery unboxings? Do you guys want to see another, like, more variety of stuff, like hair, stuff like that? I can't do nails, so don't ask. Yeah, just a variety of stuff. You guys know I'm not normal. I'm not a normal beauty guru, so I'm not gonna do your typical hair and nails and fashion and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna go above and beyond and be a f***ing weirdo like I always am, okay? So just comment down below and let me know, because I really want to start branching out this year and start doing other things. I might even start a second channel with my boyfriend. Let's hope he's into that. If not, I'm gonna make him. Give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure if you haven't, you hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Yeah. You're probably not gonna subscribe after seeing that. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. So I'll see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye!